Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Akin Rich 2. Today I want to show you how to make a celebrity, to mention you, your name, your brand, or talk about you. Yes, I want to use an AI app that will do that for you. Okay, before we dive in, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. Okay, before we go, I want to do this video step by step from A to Z on how to make celebrity, to mention your name, your brand, or talk about you. First thing, in my description below, there's a link below the description. Click the link, use it to download a app that will do this magic for us. Yes, the app called Parrot. After you use the link on the description, so the app called Parrot. Now you click on the Parrot, you allow it to load. After you download the app, so it goes to the app. I will tell you why I said you should use the link to download the app. Now look at these three men: Drake, Elon Musk, Joel. You see, there are the three free one I can use, the one I can use. But when you use that link to download the app, you will have multiple multiple superstar celebrities to do whatever you want to do. Now let me use Elon Musk. Click on Elon Musk. You see, now the prompt you want the celebrity to talk about. Okay, like let me just put it: I fans. Okay, I buy a product from, okay, let me use my YouTube channel name, Akin Rich product. I buy a product from Akin Rich brand. You can now put a comma, or okay, now maybe I'm into fashion designing. My fashion design brand from, you mention your name again, Akin Rich. You see, you put a full stop. Now you can go another paragraph. I introduce the brand called Akin Rich for you today. Go and buy from them, as a full stop. You see. Now remember, the words that you can use is 300 words, but I've used 160 words. Now you tap on continue. It will ask you image or video. Now it already tick video here. You click. It is loading now. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. You see, just give him a few minutes. It is loading right now. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell whenever I drop any education videos like this. You will be the first person to see. Now we want to download it, or before we download it, let's play the video.
Hi fan, I buy a product from a Kenrick brand. All my fashion design brand are from a Kenrick. I introduced the brand call a Kenrick for today. Go and buy from them.
You can see, wow, wow. So just put a save button, tap on the save, tap on the save. So use the link on the description below to get this app and get many celebrities to talk about your business or talk about you or mention you. Thank you.